Okay, hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this episode, mag-unbox tayo ng mga non-NBA cards naman tayo ngayon. Okay, so bali ang parcel natin ay nanggaling sa 4 Sharps Corner, isa sa mga trusted na seller ng mga cards sa Philippines. Okay, so ayun. So, shout out sa you, shout out sa inyo for Sharps Corner. So, if you wanted to buy NBA cards and different or non-NBA cards, or if you're starting your collection, I recommend for Sharps Corner. So, ayan, kasi isa sila sa mga trusted na seller natin sa NBA cards and non-NBA cards. So this time, non-NBA cards naman ang susubukan natin, So mostly yung mga nandito is NFL or football cards, and meron rin tayong mga binili na facsimile na mga baseball cards. So buksan na natin ito at wag na natin patagalin. Yan. So guys, kumusta naman pong bakasyon natin? So it's a 3rd week of June na, and I'm hoping na you're happy and safe and healthy kasama po ang ating family, So lalong-lalo na po yung mga student and teacher dyan, hoping that you're enjoying your vacation kasi malapit na naman pong mag-July. Alright. Okay, I'm so really excited to see yung mga cards ko na to. Kasi lalo non-NBA cards. Next, yung Beanie, hindi pa kasi dumadating eh. Hindi pa kasi napapa-ship. Kaya, ayun. Dito muna tayo sa mga bagong dating na cards. Okay guys, so ito na yung mga cards na binili natin na non-NBA cards. So first, we have Andy Young. Okay, at meron siyang auto dito, but this is a facsimile. Ibig sabihin, reprinted ito na copies, with the exact tawag nun, katulad ng original one, okay? Okay, so we have also Taylor Widener. Okay, so ganun din siya. Facsimile din ito. Okay, so it is a reprint na kagaya nung nauna. And we have also the winning ticket of Aaron Rodgers from Green Bay Green Bay Packers. Ayan. Stiga. Meron pa siyang signature. Kikip kong mga to. Ganda rin pala ng mga football na cards. Okay, and we have also here Travis Kelce, the Chief of Kansas City Chief. Okay? So parang kilala ko yung jowa nito. Ayan, Taylor and Travis Kelce. Oh, yan. Diba? Alright. I love them together. Okay, so kung ano man ang kahihinatnan ng love life ni Mother Taylor Swift, God bless sa kanya, and hoping na si Travis na yung the one, Okay, and another card, we have also here Travis Kelce. Yan, naka-top loader naman ito. Okay. And the last one, we have Patrick Mahomes. Yeah. So, from Kansas City Chief. From Kansas City Chief. Siguro magka-teammate sila ni Travis. Ayan. Ganda rin sanang manood nito eh. So, yun. So, that is all our content for today. Quick video lang naman po ito, So, gusto ko na naman pong i-flex ang aking mga non-NBA cards. Yan. Okay, so guys, hoping that you are enjoying your vacation. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin and God bless.